Here we are doing the EvilDead Warden swap. But here is the Warden itself. It is just like every other Warden we have made so far. It's just blue. Every position and wire should be labeled for us for replacement. First things first, we're going to go and pull the power out of the board, and then we're going to pull the 12 volt, 5 volt power in the center, and then we're going to go down to the bottom of the board and pull out our coils. Now we have our coil and power undone. We're just going to snag the GI on the right hand side, get that out of the way while we're going there. We're going to undo our LED leads A and B. Then we're going to go up in here and pull our USB out. With that USB pulled, I'm going to jump down to this left side and unhook all of the expansion board cables. These control our stepper motor driver, our switch expansion boards, our coil expander, and our servo driver. With all of those unplugged, we can tuck everything out of the way. Now we need to go through our switches and unhook each one. Put your fingers on each side and lightly pull. If needed, a slight rocking motion helps a lot as well. With all of the wires unhooked, we will want to push the pin in on the standoffs and we can pull the board on out of the machine. If you can't get the pin with your finger, you can grab a pliers, as they do make this a little bit easier. There we go. We are now free and ready to install the replacement. Here we are putting the Warden back in now. We'll want to align the mounting holes and gently push around each standoff to get the board installed back into the game. Once we put the board back in, we're going to start with our switches and we're going to work our way backwards this time. We're going to start with 8, go to 7. Once again, everything should be labeled for us. Just cross-check yourself and make sure the correct switch is going to the matching position. There's a diagram in the manual to check if you are having a hard time seeing in there. We then will install each Cat 5 cable back into their corresponding ports. Next, we will go down to the bottom here and plug our coils back into their color matching connector. Now the coils have been plugged in, we can get our GI over to the upper right hand side. GI plugged in, we just need our main A and B chain. A is on the right, B is on the left. Install the USB up above. Lastly, we need to plug in our 5 and 12 volt power into the center of the board, and then our main 50 volt power into the board. And just like that, we reinstalled the Warden in the EvilDead. Time to boot the machine and get back to playing.